Linking a bank account to YouTube is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search here Google AdSense. After that, open up its site. Once you get into its site, click to get started. Then choose your account to continue. Verify your Gmail you are continuing with. Now enter your website URL if you have any. Otherwise, tick the checkbox of I don't have a site yet. Also, choose the Yes option from the Get More out of AdSense. Then select your payment country territory. Read the terms and conditions and tick the checkbox for agreement. Lastly, tap to start using AdSense. Once you get into AdSense successfully, click on Menu from the top left corner. And click on Payments and go into Payment Info from here. Now tap to add a payment account. To add a payment account, you need to put some personal information like name, address, then click to submit. Now you have successfully linked your bank account here.